Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pre-workout from coffee. Measure 1 to 2 shots of espresso or 8 ounces strong brewed coffee, then add a measured scoop of creatine, a pinch of beta-alanine, and an electrolyte tablet. Stir until dissolved and taste, then tweak sweetness or acidity. Drink 20 to 30 minutes before training for best effect and stay hydrated during your session. Pick quality coffee and precise supplements for consistency and safety. Measure creatine and beta-alanine with a scale or scoop, and add BCAA if desired for extra recovery. Use an electrolyte mix or a small pinch of salt to help maintain fluid balance during workouts. Sweeten sparingly and consider citrus or cocoa for flavor. Always test lower doses first to assess tolerance. Dissolve powders completely by stirring or shaking in a bottle to avoid a gritty mouthfeel and ensure even dosing. Chilling the drink or adding ice can reduce perceived acidity and make it easier to sip during warm workouts. If you prefer hot coffee, mix powders into a small warm liquid first to dissolve, then add the rest. Always monitor how you feel and adjust doses gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.